Hello, everyone. I'm glad to meet John Locke today to discuss the fascinating topic of knowledge. I'd like to begin with a simple truth. I think, therefore, I am. Reason is the foundation of knowledge. Our minds are equipped with innate ideas, truths we are born with. For example, mathematics exists in us naturally. Did anyone here need to learn that 2 plus 2 equals 4? No, it's self-evident. The mind's reasoning powers are far superior to the unreliable senses.
Oh. René, you and your innate ideas. Let me paint you a picture. Imagine a newborn baby. Are they reciting geometry proofs in the crib? Are they contemplating God? No. They cry, eat, and, well, you know. Their minds are blank slates at birth, or as I like to say, a tabula rasa. Everything they learn comes from experience. Sights. Sounds. Tastes. Even math, my dear friend, comes from observing patterns in the world. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4 because we've seen it work that way.
Patterns? Observations? John, our senses deceive us. Have you ever looked at a straw in water? It appears bent. But reason tells us it's straight. Without innate ideas, how could we trust anything? How do you even know you exist?
Oh, I know I exist, René, because people keep inviting me to debates like this. But seriously, about that bent straw, yes, our senses can play tricks, but that's why we cross-check them with other senses and with reason. Knowledge is like cooking. You mix ingredients, senses, and taste test, which is reason. But without senses, you're just a chef staring at an empty pot.
Your cooking metaphor is amusing, but it lacks spice. Consider this. Where does the idea of God come from? Surely not from experience. God is infinite, perfect. Yet here we are, finite beings. How can the lesser give rise to the greater? The idea of God must be innate, planted in us by the Creator.
Oh, the old God card. Nice move. But here's my take, the idea of God comes from observing the world. We see power, beauty, complexity, and we piece it together, like building a Lego set. And let's not forget, different cultures come up with different gods. If the idea of God were truly innate, wouldn't we all agree on the same one?
I suppose your Lego analogy will amuse these young minds, but it misses the point. Reason alone can uncover universal truths. Your senses are too messy. They're like a gossiping neighbor, sometimes reliable but often misleading.
Well, René, I'd rather listen to my gossiping neighbor than lock myself in a room and question everything. Life is messy, and so is knowledge. But that's the beauty of it. We learn, adapt, and grow through experience. It's what makes us human.
And yet, without reason to guide us, experience is just noise. You'd be like a sailor without a compass.
And without experience, you'd be like a compass without a ship, sitting there, pointing nowhere.